5 questions I get every single day about face yoga. Answered honestly, go. Does it really work? Yes. Peer reviewed, JAMA 2018. Independent evaluators, real women. How long until I see the results? Feel it 2 to 3 weeks. See it 4 to 6. Comment worthy 8 to 12. Can I do wrong? Yes. Skin pulling creates lines. Correct technique means muscle only. That is what the challenger teaches. Am I too old? Muscles do not have age limits. I have seen the results at 60. How much time does it take? 10 minutes. Less than 1 Instagram scroll session. 8th, free, 14 days. Comment yes on the pinned post. Questions answered. Time to start.